Have you ever wondered if it is really possible to start with nothing and turn a simple digital file into hundreds of thousands of dollars? I remember scrolling through Etsy thinking, can someone really make $800,000 from digital products? And the answer is resounding yes. After analyzing dozens of active Etsy shops, I discovered 10 digital products already earning tens of thousands of dollars each. One product alone has surpassed $800,000 in sales from a single listing. They are not high-tech, complicated products. They are beginner-friendly digital files, planners, templates, guides, and the best part, anyone can create them and start selling today. In this video, I will break down exactly what those products are, why they are selling, and how you can make your own version. By the end, you have a step-by-step roadmap to start building your profitable digital product business. Before we dive in, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tips on building a digital business. Trust me, you will want to see what comes next. How to discover winning products. You could spend hours scrolling Etsy, Pinterest, or analyze Google Trends, but that's slow and inefficient and often unreliable. Instead, I use Profit Tree, a powerful tool that gives real-time Etsy data. You can see revenue, monthly sales, product popularity, and more. Basically, you know exactly what's selling before creating a product. Right now, Profit Tree has a free plan with 7 days profit tracking, 7 days orders report, 1 Etsy shop integration, print-on-demand integration, last week product research data. Every product I found had proven demand. Some listings were in multiple cards at the same time. Buyers are ready and willing to pay premium prices if the value is clear. The takeaway: you don't need a huge team, expensive software, or a complicated business model. The secret is knowing which products are already working and creating your own high-quality version. Product number 1, Canva website templates. Website templates are actually one of the most overlooked ways to make money on Etsy. Many people want a professional-looking website but feel overwhelmed by Shopify, WordPress, or coding. That's where Canva website templates comes in. They are simple to use, fully customizable, and drag and drop, even if you are a beginner. A Canva website template made for content creators has earned $14,000 in total sales, with each template's price at $1,430. Even more impressive, the listing often has multiple buyers called at the same time, without the creator paying for ads. This shows there are high demand and people are willing to pay for premium prices for a product that solves the problem. The key takeaway: quality is more important than quantity. You don't need hundreds of templates or complicated features. A product that's easy to use, visually appealing, and solve a problem for your audience will sell. Another great example is a designer who focuses on coaches and consultants. The Canva templates sell for $50 to $300, yet they consistently make $5,000 to $7,000 per month, all without dealing with inventory or shipping. That's the beauty of digital products. You can create them once and sell them repeatedly. Product number 2, Airbnb welcome guides and bundles. Airbnb hosts are always looking for ways to improve the guest experience and make the properties stand out. That's why Airbnb welcome guides and bundles kits are becoming such a profitable digital product on Etsy. Those guides can include check-in instruction, house rules, local restaurant recommendation, sightseeing tips, even emergency contact, all professionally designed and ready to use. One real-life example: a digital Airbnb welcome guide has earned $22,000 in total sales, while another product from the same shop pulled in $15,000. But The most interesting strategy is bundling, combining multiple guides, templates, and edible design into one package. One bundle listing has made $76,000. This approach allows sellers to charge higher prices, meaning fewer sales are needed to hit big revenue numbers. Here's why this works so well. Airbnb hosts want convenient and professionalism. They are willing to pay for a ready-to-use, polished guide that saves them time and improves the guest reviews. Selling a 100 to 150 bundles can generate more income than dozens of $5 to $10 product. Another example is a seller who creates customizable welcome packs for vacation rentals, including edible checklists, maps, local guides. The bundles sell for $80 to $120, and they consistently earn $3,000 to $5,000 per month, all without shipping or inventory. You can check out top-selling Airbnb guides on Etsy here for inspiration. Product number 3, ebook templates for course creators. With the boom of online courses, coaching programs, and digital education, there is a huge demand for professional-looking ebooks. Many course creators needed ready-made, easy-to-edit templates to package the content, share with students, or easy as lead magnets, and that's where ebook templates comes in. One real-life example, a single 160-page ebook template has earned $22,000 in total sales. Another seller offers a massive bundle of 2,500 plus templates, which generate $42,000 surprisingly. The smaller templates perform just as well monthly as the huge bundle, proving an important lesson. More is not always better. Buyers cares about clarity and usability and professional design, not just the number of pages or templates included. Those templates are win-win. Course creators get a polished product instantly. Our sellers get a digital asset they can sell rapidly without any inventory or shipping. For example, one Etsy seller focusing on online educators sell bundles for $50 to $200 and consistently earn $4,000 to $6,000 per month. Product number 4, budget planners, financial templates. Managing money is a challenge for many people, which is why budget planners and financial templates are consistently among the most profitable digital products on Etsy. These templates help users track income, expenses, saving goals, and debt payoff plan in a clear, organized way. One real-life example, a simple monthly budget planner has earned $18,000 in total sales. What's more, it's continued to generate consistent monthly income because managing finances is a recurring need. Another seller offers a bundle of expense trackers, saving planners, and bill organizer, which brought in $27,000 over several months. People always need help managing the money, regardless of trend. Whether your customer is a student, freelancer, or small business owners, a well-designed financial template can solve real problems and provide immediate value. For example, one Etsy seller creates edible Google Sheets and Excel budget templates, priced at $15 to $30 per template. They all consistently earn $3,000 to $5,000 per month, all without worrying about inventory or shipping. Product number 5, Google Notes digital planners. Digital planning has exploded in popularity, especially among students, entrepreneurs, and productivity enthusiasts. Google Notes digital planners are one of the hottest products on Etsy right now because they allow users to plan, organize, and take notes digitally on the iPad or tablet without printing anything. One mind-blowing example, a single Google Notes digital planners has earned $894,000 in total sales, which is equivalent to over 1.2 million CAD. Yes, you read that right. Almost $1 million from just one listing. Many top-performing planners are specifically designed for Google Notes, showing how loyal and engaging this audience is. Another example, a creator specializing in student planners and daily productivity planners has monthly sales consistently around $15,000 to $20,000. They price the planners between $25 to $50, proving that digital product can command high prices if they offer real value. The key to success in this niche is high quality design and usability. Buyers are willing to pay for a planner that is visually appealing, easy to navigate, and fully functional on the device. Let's check those examples. Product number 6, Instagram templates. Instagram templates are a high demand product for small business owners, influencers, and marketers. People want visual appealing, ready to post design without spending hours creating them from scratch. One real life example, a bundle of Instagram templates for real estate agent earned $91,000. Even smaller set of 50 templates have pulled in $16,000, showing that quality and niche targeting matter more than quantity. Another seller focused on wellness coaches earned around $3,000 to $5,000 monthly by selling teammate Instagram posts and story templates. See top selling Instagram templates here. Product number 7, Nursery and Wall Art. Nursery and wall art is a booming niche. Parents love decorating the baby room with teammate digital prints. These are easy to create, visually appealing, and perfect for instant download. Example, a set of 3 Safari teammate print priced at $35 earned $50,000 with consistent monthly sales of around $500. Another seller focused on personalizing nursery print earns $2,000 to $3,000 monthly. Product number 8, wedding event templates. The wedding industry is huge, and digital invitation and event templates are highly sought after. Couples and event planners prefer edible professional templates to save money and time. Example, a Canva edible wedding invitation template earned $19,000, and other event templates like birthday, baby shower, or gender reveal invitation perform similarly. Sellers pricing templates at $10 to $25 per set can make consistent monthly sale of $2,000 to $4,000. See inspiration here. Product number 9, travel agent templates. Business-to-business products like travel agent templates are highly profitable because companies are willing to invest in tools that improve efficiency and professionalism. Example, a starter kit for travel agents earned $45,000, and related templates consistently generate monthly sales of $1,000 to $2,000. Those kits can include itinerary templates, travel proposal, and client forms. Product number 10, resume templates. Even though free templates exist online, professionally designed resume templates continue to sell because people want something polished, easy to edit, and visually appealing. Example, a top seller Google Doc and Word resume template earned $87,000. Another seller targeting niche profession like nurses or teachers earn $2,000 to $3,000 per month. Whether you start with planners, templates, or guides, digital products are not just a side hustle. They are your ticket to building well scalable and repeatable income online. No inventory, no shipping, no stress, just pure digital profit. Don't wait. Pick one product, put your effort into making it high quality, and launch it today. From simple planners making thousands every month to digital guides hitting hundreds of thousands in sale, the opportunity is massive and it's waiting for you. Remember, every big success starts with a single step. Take that step now. Start creating, start selling, Start building your digital product empire today and watch how one smart move can change your income forever. If this video gave you value, smash that like button, drop a comment down below, and subscribe so you never miss more money-making strategies. I want to know which product are you most excited to create first. Let's turn your idea into your next big paycheck. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace, bye.